Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the FaceTime link on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This is the only method that lets Android join. Tap Create Link now, name it if you want, and choose Share Pick Messages or any chat app. Once done, paste or send the URL to the Android person. You're not making a standard FaceTime call, you're inviting them into a browser session. This step gives them a joinable web room that mirrors a FaceTime call from your Apple device. When the Android recipient taps the link, instruct them to open it in Chrome or another up-to-date browser. Safari isn't on Android. They'll type their display name, tap Join, and then wait while you receive the request on your Apple device. Make sure to accept promptly, otherwise they stay in the waiting lobby. You should explain why permissions matter. The browser asks for mic and camera access, and without these, the video call won't work. Also, encourage good Wi-Fi or cellular data for smoother. Once both sides are connected, you can switch cameras, mute mic, or end the call from your FaceTime app. The Android user controls only what their browser allows. If you need privacy, remove participants or hang up. Either side can leave. If things go wrong, first check permissions. The Android browser must allow camera and mic, and you must accept the join request. If video is black, restart the browser, clear tab, or resend the link. That usually fixes permission or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.